we would like to introduce the new retrieval device, industrial retrieval device, which is a basket. We have a handle with a long stroke for a large basket. The very interesting and novel thing about this basket is that it's made of nitinol, so it's kink resistant. As you can see, I can do all those things and it comes back to life. It's a large basket, therefore the stroke has to be fairly large. There's a handle that allows for this long stroke, and let's just see how it works. Yeah, there we go. We grabbed the big screw. To give you the idea of the sizes, see that? The length of the basket is approximately 6 centimeters, maybe a little bit more, about 6. And the diameter here is approximately 3.5. So it's a large basket, very suitable for grabbing larger objects. The device is approximately 2.4 millimeter in diameter, that is the length, and we can customize it into various lengths, up to 50 feet in length. Thank you.